was 19, giving us relative humidity of 81%. The wind was east at 12 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 13, and the pressure was 30.08 inches and falling. In Columbia, a thunderstorm with snow is reported, reducing the visibility to 1/4 of a mile with a temperature of 23 degrees. The dew point was 20, giving us relative humidity of 88%. The wind was east at 16 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 10, and the pressure was 30.05 inches and falling. Elsewhere in mid-Missouri, in Sedalia, snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile with a temperature of 23. In Rolla, mixed precipitation and fog were reported with a temperature of 23. Across the region, snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile in Kansas City with a temperature of 21. In Springfield, Missouri, light freezing rain and fog were reported, and 28 degrees. In Joplin, light freezing rain and fog were reported, and the temperature was 31. It was cloudy in Cape Girardeau with a temperature of 29. In St. Louis, light sleet and light snow were reported, and 27 degrees. In Edwardsville, light snow was falling, and the temperature was 21 degrees. Once again in Jefferson City, light snow was falling, reducing the visibility to 3/4 of a mile, and the temperature was 24 degrees. In Columbia, a thunderstorm with snow was reported, reducing the visibility to 1/4 of a mile, and the temperature was 23 degrees. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of eastern and central Missouri as well as west central and southwest Illinois. For today and tonight, winter storm warnings and advisories have been issued for the area for today and tonight. Significant accumulations of snow, sleet, and freezing rain are expected across the area. Please see the warning and advisory products for more information. Isolated thunderstorms are possible today along with the winter weather. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotters are encouraged to report precipitation types and accumulations to the National Weather Service in St. Louis. A winter storm warning remains in effect until midnight tonight. Precipitation will overspread the area this morning and become heavy at times during the day, before tapering off by evening. Precipitation is expected to begin as mostly snow, mixed with sleet and freezing rain during the day, and taper off as freezing drizzle during the evening. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 4 to 8 inches, along with a light glazing of ice. The higher snowfall amounts will tend to occur north of Interstate 70. Winds east 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Heavy snow, sleet, and ice accumulations will have significant impacts on travel. A winter storm warning means